Look at this. Gorgeous day. Fresh snow everywhere. Oh, I just want people to be able to see this. Not everybody gets to see this everywhere. Us in the north do. Look at that fresh dusting our tracks. Covering those beautiful trees. This is God's glory. He makes it look different places. This snow is such a gift to all the animals in the north, to us, just the not having to go outside and be wet all day because of the snow, just snowflakes. And it's gorgeous. We thank you, Jesus. We praise you, Jesus, for this beauty. Give you all the glory.